Hi tech lovers! Welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're exploring the best digital wood moisture meter you should know about. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Anang GN601. Let's get started. Product feature: uses advanced DC resistance technology to provide instant, direct moisture readings as a percentage, helping you understand your material's state immediately. Features a specialized database with parameters for 7 different types of wood and building materials to ensure tailored and highly precise measurements. Goes beyond the surface by measuring both ambient humidity and temperature, giving you a full picture of the drying environment to prevent future damage. Equipped with a high-precision digital sensor that guarantees fast response times and accurate data every time you step onto a job site or workshop. Offers flexible temperature readings in either Celsius or Fahrenheit, making it easy to use no matter where you are or what system you prefer. Designed with intelligence, including an automatic 10-minute shutdown to save battery life and a helpful low battery alert so you're always prepared. Includes a bright, backlit screen that ensures you can easily read your results in dim workshops or under the brightest sun without any eye straining. Pros: this meter truly feels like a partner in your craft. Its ability to monitor the surrounding air alongside the wood means you're protecting your projects from mold and structural shifts before they even start. It's compact and fits right in your hand, making the whole process feel effortless and reliable, giving you the peace of mind that your hard work will last a lifetime. Cons: while it is incredibly helpful, some users might find that it takes a moment to flip through the 7 material modes to find the perfect setting. Additionally, because it uses pins for resistance, it does leave tiny marks on your wood, which is something to keep in mind for your high-end finished surfaces. Final thoughts: imagine finishing a beautiful furniture piece only to have it warp later. This tool ensures that never happens. It's about more than just numbers. It's about the care you put into your creations. Having this level of accuracy in your pocket builds so much confidence, allowing you to focus on your artistry while knowing the technical side is perfectly handled. It's a small investment for your passion. Don't let moisture ruin your next big project. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Kingo and like this video. See you next time.